I can't see my hands and I don't be liking that. Hey y'all, it's your girl Shugs and I am back with another video, okay? So today we doing just a little get ready with me. Ask me where I'm going. Just ask me. I'm going to club living room because Corona ain't letting up. Y'all folks don't want to wear y'all mask. I need this to be gone June 2021. Baby, because I got birthday plans. I'm not playing with y'all again, okay? So, today we gonna be doing, I think I want to do like a little green look. I ain't did no green eyeshadow in a really long time, if ever. Y'all see this freaking mountain on my face? Disrespectful. Don't start. We're gonna start off with the brows. I am out of my eyebrow pencil. I usually use the what's it called? I don't know. I don't think that's the Milani Precision Brow in the color Espresso, but you see that it's out. Back to the good and trusty ABH Dip Brow in the color Dark Brown. Now, it's been a really long time since I've used this. She probably real dried out. It's not what he said. Just spray a little. I feel like these look a little dark. Either that or I'm just used to the lighter brown now. We're gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Okay, I use the color Toffee for my eyebrows. Also gonna go ahead and set the eyebrows. I'm using the this Makeup Revolution, just their clear brow gel. Now we're gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna conceal the whole lid. I'm just taking my L'Oreal True Match. Just gonna set that very lightly because this isn't translucent. Alright, so the main makeup palette I think I want to use today is this Juvia's Place palette. Were they canceled? I feel like it was canceled, but I'm gonna use what I already spent my money on. It's the Masquerade Mini. This is what the colors look like. All right. The main colors we're gonna be using is these two browns at the bottom. Let me get my light together. These two. Maybe a little bit of that. And then I want to use this really pretty green. So first, for transition color, we're gonna take, let's take, is it called, I think it's Burkina. This one right here. Okay. Don't know if that really did anything. So let's go in just with a little darker. We're gonna take this one down here. It's called Fulani. Now I want to take a little bit of, I don't know if I want to do Zulu or if I want to do that one. What y'all think? I think I'm gonna do this one. Got a little fallout, a little lot, but you know, we're gonna concentrate that in this outer area. Now going back with that first brush, not adding any more product, and we're just gonna kind of blend that on out. Okay. All right. I got this trick from Tasha Washa. That sounds so funny, but that is her name. So she uses glitter primer. Okay, she uses the NYX glitter primer whenever she does a cut crease, instead of using like I guess like the P. Louise base or whatever. So we're just gonna put that essentially where I want to put the green. And then before I move on, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the green down. I hope it applies good with the brush, because my nails too long to use my fingers. And then bring it into the other color too. Okay. Now we'll do the same to the other eye. All right. So now I'm gonna go back in with that the Zulu color, the reddish looking color. I'm not gonna add any to the brush. Let's just see if I can blend it. Yeah, there you go. All right, now I'm going to line my lids. Okay, and period. Lashes, they really just like do something for the look. Like, I don't care how I feel. I put some lashes on, you can't tell me nothing. These are some lashes that I got off Amazon. I cannot for the life of me find my Shop LaFay collection lashes. Like, I really love those lashes and I cannot find them. I need to order some more, like, honestly. Now we're gonna get into the face. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my my Fenty Beauty, I think it's a soft matte or like the pro matte or whatever. Foundation, I think I'm going to my MAC. I haven't used this in a while. It's in the color, it's the 8.0 Match Master with the SPF 15 in the color 8.0. Excuse me. I'm going to take this on my Morphe M439 foundation brush. Can't find the concealer I want to use, so we're just going to go back in with that same Pro concealer that I put under my on my lids. And we're just going to highlight. I don't highlight my chin because I found that maybe I just wasn't blending it out right, but it like made the whole bottom of my face look ashy, and I ain't like that. So next, take a beauty blender, which mine is not wet. I literally had one job, and that was to prepare. With my Fenty Beauty setting powder and honey. And then we're going to immediately dust that off. And then we're going to set the rest of our face. I'm just going to use Chile. My True Match, only a little bit though, because like I said, it has coverage and I don't want to, you know, have too much going on. Now we're gonna bronze. I'm using my Morphe in the color with the Showmance. Okay. I'm just gonna use the not shimmery side today, because I know I got a little shimmer in my eyes. I'm gonna contour our nose. I'm using my Morphe, it doesn't have a number, I got it in like a little travel set. It's like a little tapered fluffy brush. The key is to bring it from the tip of your eyebrows down. Next we're gonna do blush. I have this Juvia's Place, the Saharan. Oh no, I lied. Well, it's a Saharan blush palette, volume 2. I think I want to mix a little bit of this orange color with mostly this color. Highlight with my e.l.f. highlighting brush. I'm gonna use what's this matte mineralized skin finish in the color Naked You. Looks like that. actually want to keep my cheeks pretty matte. Now we're gonna set. For lips, I want to keep it pretty neutral. I'm gonna line my lips using my NYX, I think it's like dark brown. My NYX, the cream matte in the color Berlin. Then let that dry down just a little bit, and then we're gonna go in the middle with the same brand, just in Abu Dhabi. Now before I forget, we're gonna go underneath my waterline. And I do just want a little bit on my inner corner. Let's try this color Daya. I think that's how you pronounce it. I really don't know. I could have went without that, but we're here now. All right, and that is the finished look. What y'all think? I'm feeling it. I feel like I look like a little, you know, chocolate mermaid or something. You know what I'm saying? So thank you so much, y'all, for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed this look. I really don't do a lot of colors, so I was a little bit out of my element, but you know, I think we pulled it off. I think we made it work. So you know, check these products out, try them yourself. You know, let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share my videos. Okay, it's free. It's free.